And we are back. Fresh Cash Friday, never been so hot. Hot, hot, hot. Right now, looking at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ pulling back here. It's gone basically nowhere. We broke out of that bull flag earlier, up there to the 68.70 area, and then just pulled it right back down. I don't know about you guys, but it's looking a little slow, but we'll see what happens here. End of day Friday. Can we get that end of day fucking squeeze? We got the ES up at the highs right now, and the NASDAQ just pulling on back down. Lieutenant Dan. Got this 53 kind of area, this previous area of resistance. Maybe 21 EMA right there would be nice for a little pullback here. Let's see what happens. Being patient, waiting for power hour. Top step 150K. Yeah, once you're funded, you gotta, there's a scaling rule or whatever. And yeah, you can only start out trading 3 contracts when you first start trading the funded account. You got to build it up. Once you build it up, then you can, then it goes away, I guess. All right, NASDAQ. A little pullback here into the 60s. Kind of see if we get down there. That EMA one more time would be nice. 51 area, 50s. Would appreciate that. Bow, 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 bow. Got about 30 minutes until power hour officially starts, but we're live a little early here. Looking at the chart right now, the 2-minute chart there, we're up at the highs here. 15-minute chart right in that 21 EMA, the VWAP coming into play. We're breaking above these previous resistance. So we got a lot of resistance here, 480, 470, right? And then after that, you've got the previous day high up here, 509. So 20,509 area. If these bulls can get this going, end of day possibly. You still got about an hour and a half, plenty of time to print some more candles on the chart. We have basically been kind of consolidating here on the 15-minute chart and kind of finally breaking out like a bull flag looking style, right? Little, well, however you want to do it, but either way, we kind of broke out there for the first time on the 15-minute chart. We just got to get through this 70-80 area, and then we got a pivot point to the upside. 525 pivot point, 20,525, and then obviously yesterday's high right there as well. So yesterday's high, that pivot point, the ES is at an all-time high. The ES is about 5 points away from the all-time high. Can we get the end of day push? Do we get the drop? Do we get the pop? Which way? Which way? Which way? What do you guys think? What's the chat think? What's the chat think today? Up or down? No sideways. We'll do sideways. Right now the poll, it'll be like just 50, 50, 50. 62% right now voting for the up. The down and the sideways are kind of tied up here. Down to the 18s. Down to that gap again. Oh, okay. Bulls trying to hold up here at the 21 EMA for now. If the stream's lagging, I apologize. I don't really know what else to do. I'm on Wi-Fi here in Hawaii at the house. I'll be back in Florida. We got one more week of Hawaii, and then I'm back to Florida, back to business, baby. My house is okay with the hurricane, yes. The hurricane was on the west coast. My house is on the east coast. We're going shark diving at 12 o'clock here in Hawaii. Pray for me, people. Pray for me. Just pray that the sharks don't eat me. Pray that the sharks are not ICT fans. As long as the sharks are not ICT fans, I think we'll be all right. We just got to pray. Right now, looking to see what we get here. We're kind of holding up right there at that 21 EMA. End of day. I think the longs come in here to play. Got a lot of stuff above us right now. We broke out there on the 15-minute chart. Just need that confirmation. Get this push. We got 70 and 80s, and then we got that high from yesterday up there at the 509 area. The high was 508.25, and then after that, pivot point up there at the 24s. So everything is kind of lining up. Just this, the only thing I don't like right now is like that last 15-minute candle there. A little tricky. That last 15-minute candle there, a little tricky looking. So I don't know if we're going to dip down here one more time. Just got to kind of see what happens going into power hour here. Power hour. Right now, the poll is 56% of the people say we're going to go up, 24% down, and 20% sideways. Everybody that voted sideways, just go fuck yourself, all right? Go fuck yourself. Do you think you will ever truthfully expose ICT? No. I think his followers will always believe whatever he tells them, but at least at least I can prove that I'm not a fucking moron. You know? Five-minute chart. Kind of see, we're going to retest this breakout level. Or like this trend line. Back to the 50s here, kind of looking. I told you twice. Jake Fowler, you're not an ICT trader, bro. You're just a trader. You know what I mean? Like, don't give the guy credit. He's not inventing trading. His concepts do not make you a better day trader. You make yourself a better day trader. ICT is not holding your hand, right? Like, you're the one who's seeing the setups. You can say, oh, but he taught me to see it. But, like, he didn't. He was taught by somebody else and someone taught him. You know what I mean? Like, nobody's teaching you. It's just, you're just hearing information from someone else who learned it from someone else. You know what I mean? Like, just focus on that. Just focus on the idea that you are a trader. You're not an ICT trader. You're just a trader. You know, ICT can't do what you do. If you can actually make money trading, that's one thing that your mentor can't do. So how is he your mentor when you can do it and he can't? Who did I learn from? I didn't really learn like from a direct person. I just kind of learned about trading in general. I mean, it's not a secret. Buy low, sell high, you know? Again, anybody in my chat that's talking shit, guess what? You're here, you're watching, I'm making money, I'm in Hawaii. What can you possibly say? What can you possibly say? Nothing. There is literally nothing that you can say. Can you make some eggs, please? Okay, well, make the eggs now. People on the stream here, they're like, what? This guy. Whenever I get sad, I just listen to this.
Robbins, I said, listen, anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there and I pushed and pushed and pushed and pushed and pushed and pushed and pushed, and I pushed that fucking account down to $900 fucking dollars. And I sat there and I waited and I fucking waited and I fucking waited, and now one of these fucking
like whenever someone tells me that ICT actually knows what he's doing, I just play that and I just laugh and I'm like, yes, you're right. You can't, you know, when someone is a fucking moron, you can't help them. There's gonna be a moron. So it's perfect. Just play that recording over and over and just laugh to yourself and be like, that's pretty funny. It's kind of funny, you know? Like, that's pretty funny. Right now, NASDAQ pulling back here. Like I said, that 15-minute candle just kind of fucked us there. We just kind of closed at a shitty spot. So, just pulling on back right now. Let's see what happens here. Why don't you give credit to Ross? Yes. Everybody, Ross Cameron taught me to day trade. He taught me to buy low, sell high. I am a Ross Cameron day trader. Hey, everybody, how you doing? Like, why do I gotta? I watch somebody on the internet, and now I gotta give them credit. Some weird shit. Thanks so much, Ross, for teaching me where to buy and where to sell at. I finally figured it out. No, I didn't take his course. Come on, people. Relax. Natalia, are you back? You fat bitch, get out of here. Nobody cares about your bullshit. You're worried about the way I look. I know for sure that you're a fat, nasty bitch. So what do you want me to tell? Like, you win, Natalia. Look in the mirror, Patrick. Yes, look at this. I'm sexy. I'm beautiful. I'm rich. Oh, God, Natalia, what am I going to do? There's the dump. There we go. We got a dumpy. Back to the... And now right back up. Into the 40s again there. This means we're grabbing liquidity to rip. That's right. And try to get this push right back up there to the 50s now. I wanna feel you staring next to me. NASDAQ right back to the close from yesterday. Both the ES, the NASDAQ pulling back here. Me, I'm alright. My bias right now is the trend is pointing up. We're sitting up here at a very tough resistance area, 70, 80 area resistance from the overnight. And then we've got yesterday's high up there at the 20,500s. So just kind of being patient, waiting for power hour to really do something here. That 15-minute candle just kind of took out these stops right there. Everybody had their stops like right there, that 30 area. We dipped right below there, took them out, and now popping right back up here. So this candle close is very strong. I think this will just start reversing back up here now. Just got to get through that 21 EMA again, get back above the 21 EMA here through this 50 area. Listen up, arise. Listen. If you guys didn't tune into the live stream this morning, we absolutely crushed it live on YouTube this morning. We had the open, the 9:15, well, 9:30 open, the first 15-minute candle there from the 9:30s. We pushed all the way up there to the 480s. Nice little 120 point move there, breaking out of that opening range. So this is a very typical type of setup that we talk about in the course and all that stuff. Right now, there's that dip we were looking for off of the 50, back into the 50s, off of that 21 EMA, right down there to the close from yesterday. That was your end of day close yesterday, the gap that was filled, and we've been going sideways here. So right now, I think we get this momentum to the upside, and like we said earlier, 20,500 is up there next. 24.75. So, oh my God, you cannot be wearing that bikini around the house, woman. She's just trying to get me off the live stream, I think. I'm the luckiest man alive. I get eggs cooked for me while I'm live on YouTube, making money, making fun of idiots on the internet, and I get eggs made and delivered by a hot woman in a bikini. Oh my God. How did I ever get so lucky? Little one. Oh my God. Oh my God. Just getting tight right here. Right there, bubby. ES trying to push back up. NASDAQ trying to push back up here. Right at that 21 EMA, baby. Right there. Get above that 21 EMA and keep the party going. That little blue line. Pushing, pushing. It's pushing, pushing. Through the 21 EMA now. Love to see it. We love to see it here. Lulu making too much money this morning. It's a problem. That right there is a problem. Yo, Pat, I feel your brain works better on steak and eggs. I mean, duh. Duh. What would be better than steak and eggs, you know? Tell me. Nothing. Nothing. Kenneth is up $800 from the gap fill this morning. Let's go. Mello's up $850. Everybody's making money. We're going up today, boys. Power hour, we're going up. Look for the longs. Patrick, when was the last time that you were right? Like 5 minutes ago. Some guy just asked me, when's the last time that I was right? All motherfucking day I haven't been wrong. What are you talking about? How do I know that ICT blew the Robbins Cup? I don't know. The fact that he said he was down 90%? No. ICT is not actually down 90%. He just pushed his account. He pushed his account down to $900 on purpose. He did it on purpose because he wanted everyone to be like, "Oh my God, he's down 90%." You know, he just pushed.
Anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there and I pushed and pushed and pushed and pushed and pushed and pushed and pushed, and I pushed that fucking account down to $900 fucking dollars. And I sat there and I waited. And I waited. And I fucking waited. And I waited. And I fucking waited. And I waited.
And I waited. Yeah. ICT, totally, bro. Trust me, bro. He's the best. Right now, watching. Get through this 460 area. We got the ES right now stuck at the pivot point up there at the 860s. NASDAQ needs to kind of rip up through this 60 area, show some strength. Do you think your win rate is more valuable than risk to reward? No. I think risk to reward is probably the most important. Because if you have a terrible risk to reward, it doesn't matter how good your win rate is. You got to have an overall just good plan, right? Like, hey, you know, if you make $1,000 on a trade, well, then you can't afford to lose more than $1,000 on a trade. So I would say risk to reward always is your best strategy. What goes through your head when you decide to not take a momentum breakout? Just price action. Just you got to remember, like, just because we break out of a flag or just because we break a trend line doesn't mean the market has to go up. You know, we're the ones drawing lines on a chart. So it's not just like, oh my God, if we break through this line, I'm going to get in and just go straight up. You know, like, oh, the NASDAQ's just waiting to break my yellow line. And then finally we're going to go higher. So it's you gotta be able to feel the market out a little bit, you know, kind of be like, all right, what's going on here? Well, we got a lot of resistance up here. So it's like every little breakout is just getting met. You know, people that were buying here earlier that are now getting out for break even, and the shorts are trying to pile in here. So, you know, just one of those things. Have you moved back to Hawaii? No. Just here on vacation living, kind of vacation living. What do you call that? Vacation. I'm a vacation living person. I like to go and live where I go on vacation. 2 months in Hawaii, and now next week back to Florida. Back to the Lamborghini life, you know, back to driving the Lamborghini, going out on the boat, living the dream. Someone's got to do it, though. Somebody's got to do it. Right now, my overall bias is that we're going to try to push up here end of day, but, you know, like I said, there's a lot of stuff going on up here. We got a lot. I feel like this if the bulls can get, you know, up through here, it's like we got to kind of clear out all this stuff up here. We got that pivot point up there at the 520s. We got yesterday's high up there at the 507s. Obviously not financial advice. So, are the streets drivable? Yeah, I live on the East Coast, not the West Coast. There was no problem where I lived at. Palm Beach had tornadoes, but I'm in Fort Lauderdale. NASDAQ getting real tight here. You can see that last high of that previous candle was 65 on that 15-minute chart. So we kind of broke out. Now we're consolidating like right here, getting tight. Get this end of day squeeze going, baby. Get this end of day squeeze going. For people asking if I'm long, I'm definitely not short. So just putting that out there. I am definitely not short. Hello, too cheap forever and ever. Have you met Lambo Raoul? I've not met Lambo Raoul, actually. I don't know where we would meet at. He lives in Doral, which I don't know why. I don't know anyone who lives in Doral. We're sitting right at that all-time high on the ES as well, so challenging conditions here. Challenging for now. We got 4 minutes until official power hour starts up there. Patrick, you in South Florida? Yeah, not right now. I'm in Hawaii, but my house is in South Florida. Patrick, what size hard stop do you typically use? I don't normally use a hard stop, to be honest. I feel like every time I use a hard stop, I just end up getting stopped out. So, not to say that you shouldn't use a stop, but I try to like force myself. If the trade's not working out, it's not looking like I want it to, then I'll just kind of get out quicker. Because I feel like a lot of times if you put a hard stop on a trade, what happens too, right? Like you just like sit there and like you're like a deer in headlights. Like you're watching it. Just go right down to your stop and then you get stopped out. But it's more like, for me, it's like I'd rather get into a trade and then be like, it's pulling back. It's probably gonna stop me out. You can hear me talk about it a lot of times on the live stream. I'll be like, oh, I'm getting stopped out for sure. Like when you start saying I'm gonna get stopped out, well, you might as well just get the fuck out of the trade at that point. Might as well just get out of the trade. If you're only thing you're thinking about is how you're going to get stopped out, then you might just want to exit the trade. But again, I'm not sitting here telling you to not use stop losses. I'm just talking from my experience. Let's say you got it here. I don't know. Well, let's say like this. Let's say you try to get long up here for a breakout, and you're like, okay, I'm going to put my hard stop right below the 21 EMA, right? And the market starts pulling back here, and it's like, all right, my stops are right there, and it's like, oh, it's pulling back, and then at this point, I know that if we break below pretty much this 58 level, that there's fucking almost 100% chance that we're going to end up hitting my stop down there, kind of another pullback there. So as I'm in the trade, I have my kind of mental like hard stop, but I'm also like analyzing the price action and thinking like, there's a very high chance that I'm going to get stopped out. And I don't really want to get stopped out, right? Like I want to be able to get out of the trade and be like, all right, I got out and I can always re-enter. Can you swing trade using my strategies? Sure. You just trade on a bigger time frame. Trade the 15-minute chart, trade the hourly chart, the daily chart if you want to go real crazy. But yeah, the thing is, swing trading is just day trading, but on a larger time frame, right? Longer time frame. Instead of thinking that you're going to buy and sell in 1 hour, you say, hey, I'm going to buy and sell in the next month. NASDAQ now pushing up here beautifully off of the 21 EMA, our little blue line down there. So I don't know. Dungdu taking the day off, I guess. Dungdu in the chat. Don't be afraid. Dungdu is here. Right now, the bulls pushing. What's funny is if you tuned into the live stream right when we started, we talked about this exact idea happening. You know, I don't want to go back and be like, hey, I told you so. You know, I'd be like, Pat, I told you so. You know, I told you so. That's not what I'm trying to do here. But, you know, like, when you think about it, if you think about it, I told you so. So, I guess I can say that I told you so. Right now, trading this. This is my setup here that we took. I took this long off the lows down there at the 32s. Ripped it all the way back up here into the 50s. Got stopped out on a runner right there at the 38s. Re-entered here and then kind of rode up into this. And now there she goes up into the 70s. So the push is real. Patrick, are you still using ICT concepts? Yes. I buy low, sell high. The best ICT concept that there is. The abyss. You make money on that trade, baby? How much? Ooh, buddy. Victoria locked in $100 in the micros off of that idea of getting long at the 50s. So don't tell me, hey, my girlfriend has literally been trading for less than 2 months and she can figure it out. So, I mean, she went through the course. She actually watched the course twice here in Hawaii. She got nothing, you know, not that she had nothing else to do, but she got a lot of extra time on her hands. So she got into day trading. I have not taught her anything. I literally gave her the course and I said, hey, watch the course. Let me know what you think. She watched the course and then afterwards she's like, man, that the course really is like bang, you know, killing it. So it's just funny when people come here and they're like, Patrick, you never tell us when to buy. I'm like, that's weird. My girlfriend who's just started trading for literally less than 2 months, got long at 52 and sold into this push. So I guess you're an idiot. That's what you have to, you know, compare yourself by. Like, if you don't know when to get in, you should be like, damn, Patrick's really hot girlfriend is also good at entering and being smart. And she pushed. And she pushed, and it went higher.
Scott, I told Joel Robbins,
I said, listen.
Anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there, and I pushed and pushed and pushed and pushed and pushed and pushed and pushed, and I pushed that fucking account down to $900 fucking dollars. And I said,
come on. Come on. Come on, guys. It's too easy. Damn, stop with the ICT shit. Why should I stop? I want my $500,000. I'm not going to stop. Why should I stop? Everybody said that there was no way that Patrick was the biggest scammer on the internet and that ICT was going to win the Robbins Cup and prove to everybody that Patrick's the worst scammer ever. That was everybody said. Everybody got all bad and got all butthurt and wanted it so badly, wanted me to delete my YouTube channel. You know? Everybody's got something to say. Everybody. Aerial visual concepts. If the market dropped, you would never have known Patrick entered a long trade. Noticed, he never talked about it entering until after the move. You're right. You're right. I did not come to your house and press the button. You got me. I'm a scammer. I apologize. Next time, what's your address? I'll come there and make sure I press the button for you. ICT is not trolling. Come on. You know, if he was actually in the green in his Robbins Cup, he'd be posting all about it, bragging. Come on, people. You know. NASDAQ holding up here at the 65s. Another little bull flag set up here. Let's see if we can go straight up on this move here. I'm entering long, everybody, just so you know. Daddy's long. Looking for a push-up. Oh, God, get ready for it. Here it goes. Oh, God, get ready, everybody. Oh, he made the money. He's such a scammer. How did he do it? How? Oh, sorry. Fuck, I didn't show it. God damn it. Oh, I thought I had the screen up where it showed me buying and selling. God damn it. I messed up. Let me do that again. One more time. One more time. Oh, man. The funniest part, literally the funniest part about all the people complaining about me not telling them when to get long, it's just like, okay, you right. You got me. You got me. We did not draw a line on the chart. We did not know. Nope, we never talked about any of this happening. This entire time I've been talking about getting short. Everybody in the chat, I hope everybody's been getting short all day because you know that's all I've been talking about. You enter for 2 seconds. I enter longer. He's gonna enter. I enter all day. Oh my God, he entered for 2 seconds. What I'm trying to prove here is it don't matter if I buy or if I sell. It don't matter what I do. What matters is the fact of, do you identify these breakouts? What do I need to do? Come to your house and be like, hey, everybody, look. It's still going high, everybody. What are you doing? Whatever. I don't care. Whatever. Still going up there to the 75s now. Yeah. I can only last 2 seconds in bed. Yeah, that's right. Exactly. You got me. It's the best. Hey, it's the best 2 seconds of my life. All right. Either way. So at least I get 2 seconds with a woman. You don't even get to spend 2 seconds with a woman. That's okay. You know, your hand does not count. Miss Pamela is not a real woman. Just because you put a little lipstick on your hand does not make it real. I know ICT believes that if he trades demo account that he's doing something real, but he's not. This is the ICT followers have not figured out that masturbating is not actually being with a woman. Oh God. Look at that. Now my girlfriend's going outside to go tan. She got her bikini on. She's ready to go tan. Why? Because she just made money on this move up. Because the people in the chat said, nobody told me. Nobody told me to buy. Pamela. Rosy Palms. Rosy Palms. Oh my God, what just happened? The algorithms. Well, we took out that high like we said it would. Don't trade on this. Stay away from it. It just popped up 20 points out of nowhere. Stopped out all the shorts here. Who would have thought? Come on, NASDAQ. Let's get through that 500 level there next. We got that pivot point up there at the 20,525s. Patrick, that's called, guys, people in the chat, Patrick, that's a liquidity grab. Yes. That's, I didn't know that. Yeah, I fucking know. I swear to God, people in the chat are sometimes the shit they say. We literally talked about this exact fucking move happening. Like, what do you, Patrick, do you not know what you're doing? It just popped above the liquidity. Fuck. Dude. Fucking people are insane. I swear, I can't deal with them anymore. I can't deal with this anymore. Oh yeah, I forgot. Liquidity. ICT created liquidity. Where's the guy earlier that said I wouldn't be correct? I'm never correct. I'm never correct. Got a little poll in the chat if you want to weigh in. Fucking my mic, the thing just went out. Oh God. I saw all the experts on Twitter yesterday talking about how today was going to be a big sell-off, 500, 600 point sell-off. Literally, that's what they were saying. 500 point sell-off coming tomorrow. Yes. Clearly. Look at this 500 point sell-off. This market is getting crazy. 500 points to the downside, boys. Watch out. Watch out. Don't do it. Don't do it. I don't know why people even try to like pretend that they have any idea what they're talking about. That if you sit there on Twitter the night before and talk about how the market's going to crash, it's almost 100% chance that it's going to go straight up in the morning. You know, and the funny part is, this is the funny part, is look at the overnight move. The overnight move was trending down. So it suckered a lot of people into the idea that at open, we would just fucking start cratering, right? That's the best part about it. Is they trapped everybody. All those idiots that were like, oh my God, the market's going to zero. It's going to drop all the way down to 19,000. It's going to go to 19,000 a day. Well, guess what they did? Overnight, market pulls back. Right at open, we put the low in for the day, and then it just goes higher all day. You got to love it, though. You do have to laugh about it, because it is funny. Retail traders, man. Retail traders. Those ICT traders always know where to go. Everybody knows what's going to happen. Retail traders, not so much. It's funny too on I don't know if you ever noticed, but like on Twitter, if I write like in all caps, it's funny because like I just do it to troll people, but people think I'm like angry. Oh my God, I can't be stopped. I call this entire move live on YouTube. I'm the best to ever do it. Like you guys know, I'm like messing around with people. I'm not like serious when I post that kind of stuff. I just want to make that clear, you know. I'm just trolling everybody because it's funny. Because then people comment like, "You're not the best. What are you talking about? You're not the best." God damn it! Look at that move. Look at that move, man. Up there to the 490s now. You gotta be, you gotta be laughing, man. Patrick, you make any money today? Yeah, I made. What are you fucking talking about? Make money today? What you been doing? That's all we've been doing is making money. What you been making money? What the fuck, this guy? Hey, Patrick, you make any money today? What the fuck? Who's this guy? Get this guy out of the chat. Get him out of the chat. Get him out of here. Well, I could have probably held that a little longer. My entry down there at the 20,431 earlier. I got stopped out right there at the 38s on the. I had a runner. I had runners sitting there, and I was like, I'm gonna hold this thing. Then it got above there. Oh, fucking A. Just scalping. This, I probably should have loaded up a little heavier there, at that 50 area on that pullback. Now you can see how we're getting away from the 21 EMA. So, J Money, you're worried about my performance in bed. Don't worry, little buddy. I win every time. No problem. 5 seconds, 10 seconds. It don't bother me. It's always the same. Daddy wins. Fire. What is on fire? On fire. All right, now we just be patient, right? We got to be patient. Wait for something to happen, you know? Wait for something to happen here. That's all we got to do. You can see here in my fast track accounts, we got 20 of these accounts. We got 20 accounts. And as you can see right there, total profit after all these days, 8,715. We've had 0 losing trades for 8 days now. Pretty crazy. 8 days of trades and 0 losing trades. So today we're up, I think, like 400, 500. And you can see 1,400, 1,460, 1,200. 1,000, 1,240, 1,100, 1,140. Look, how did I go back to back on Wednesday and Thursday with the same amount of profit? That's how good I am, baby. Discipline, consistency. Well, yeah, these accounts are ready for a payout, basically. Yeah, buddy, that'll be about a $60,000 payout right there. 60,000 payout, and then we got this account here. Yeah, this account here. That Express account's at about 10,000 right now, 11,000. We got this Express account that's ready for a payout. You can see total days, 4 days. The first day in this account, I made 4,800. The next day, I made 10,000. The next day, I made 26,000. Had a little red day, and then we made 2,600 yesterday, and then today we made 200 to lock in a $20,000 payout. So $20,000 payout coming up, baby. We got a $20,000 payout coming. We got a $40,000 payout coming. We got a $60,000 payout coming. Oop, oop, oop. I don't know the math. No, you know. We'll see. Oh, don't worry, I'll get paid out. I'm the number one day trader on YouTube. Ain't nobody denying my payouts. Ain't nobody. It'd be really bad for publicity either way. My discount code for FTT is PW, but I don't know if it works for credit cards. I think it only works for the other ones. If you're accurate on the other account, why do you only have 44% win rate? What? Oh, because that account I was trading overnight. I was fucking around with this XFA, trading some night moves. Wasn't as good. I'm trying to think, where was that 44? Yeah, this one. I traded this account a little aggressively overnight. Took 2 back-to-back losses on that account. So you can see down there. Traded at night and just did not work out. Don't trade the night session, Asian session. That was, yeah, 3,000, 4,000 there. But yesterday, 5,200 to get back. And right now, the current balance is 9,000. So it happens. I trade big size too, people. You know, I'm not trading micros. I'm not trading like in one contract. We're trading big size. On FTT with the 20 accounts, I trade 5 contracts, actually. A little under 5, like, yeah, 5 minis. How are you able to trade big size with such small drawdown? Well, that's the great thing about momentum trading, right? If we enter a trade and it's a good trade, our drawdown is very small in that trade. So like here, let's say you're getting long above the high of this previous candle, which is the strategy. So you get long at 59.25. Your stop's right there below this 53 area. So you don't have a major drawdown here, right? Like you got very kind of tight move. If this move breaks out right here and this doesn't happen pretty much right away, or we don't start getting that move up, that's when I get out of the trade or get out for break even. So how do you manage all of your accounts? I literally trade every single prop firm differently in the sense that I take one trade, copy it across all the accounts for one prop firm. I look for another trade. I do it again. So I'm trading, literally one account, 20 accounts, trading all those accounts together, and getting a winning trade, and then looking for the next trade I'll take in a different prop firm. So I'll take, 4, 5, 6 trades across all the different prop firms. And it's not just me trading one prop, trading them all together. How long have you been operating? I've been in business for about 8 years now. Does Trade-Evade allow you to trade multiple prop firms together? No, they do not. Supposedly there's a new program that allows you to do it, but I don't really trust it. I think it's too buggy. I don't want to, I've had issues with the trade copier before, blowing up accounts where you get an order that doesn't get cleared out or whatever. So I just don't know if it's worth it, Another bull flag up here at the highs. We're going into the power hour. We got the next level to get to, 20,520 up there. Bulls pushing. Is there a consistency rule with Top Step? There's not a consistency rule. There's a scaling rule. So when you first start trading through the XFA, you have to scale. So the 150K account, it's 3 contracts. So that's actually why it's pretty difficult for me, to be honest. Because I don't normally trade 3 contracts in one account at least. So at least for me. Like you can see, You know, on this account here, like the first day made 800, the next day 4,000, the next day 6,000. So it's like it kind of ramps up because you got to like build up that account equity, and then you can get it to a point where you can trade full size. 6 years of trading only the NQ? No, I've only been trading futures for about 2 years now. 2.5 years, 3 years maybe. What trade copy to use? I use the trade groups inside of Trade of 8. Both the ES and the NASDAQ. The ES just made a new high, all-time high on the ES. Lord. Oh, Lord. Yeah, when I first started trading, I was trading the ES, and then I switched over to the NASDAQ. I love how y'all know more about it than I do. Y'all got me. Yes, I did trade the ES at one point. Where would this entry be at? I mean, basically, you're getting long in this area here and trying to stay above this 21 EMA. Like, you don't really, like, if we're going to pull back here again, tap that 21 EMA maybe, but you want to be basically long inside this area for this breakout to continue higher. Be a better man and keep to yourself. Don't clout chase ICT. Me? Don't clout chase ICT? Like, what are you talking about? The guy literally posts photos of me on his Twitter. Y'all be like, yeah, Patrick, ICT lives in your head rent free. Patrick, ICT lives in your head rent free. I mean, he literally posts a photo of me on Twitter. What do you want me to do? Like, why should I stop talking about him? Why don't you talk about me? Literally posted that photo on his fucking Twitter page. The dude loves me. What a weirdo. In your course, do you teach about risk management? Yes. Trading is nothing but risk management. I have an account with Take Profit Trader. Yes. I use all when I trade through Fast Track Trading. I trade all 20 accounts as one group. Why not challenge ICT to a trade-off? Ivan, you don't think I've done that? I've done that. I literally offered him $500,000. I offered him $1 million. $1 million. He still wouldn't do it. Come on. Someone offers me $1 million to do something, I'll do it. I'll do it. You want to trade? You want to do a contest with me for $1 million? Okay. That's fine with me. 2-minute chart versus 1-minute chart. You got to buy the course. $199 if you want to find out why I like the 2-minute chart. Figure it out. Do you think it's too late for longs now? No. I think there's still potential to try to push up there above this high now. We have not taken out yesterday's high yet. That high at the 507, 508 level. We're right up here at the all-time highs going into a Friday afternoon. We'll see. Market again bouncing off the 21 EMA there. Only you. What about the 5-minute chart? What about it? If trading is not about risk management, what is it about? When did I say that? Trading is all about risk management. What you talking about? You talking about, Willis? What you talking about, Willis? Go to the bathroom. One more real quick. Market pushing up here off that 21 EMA once again. Got to get ready for my shark diving tour. Got to make sure the GoPro is all charged up, ready to go. We're going diving with sharks today. That's right. We're getting wild. We're getting crazy out there. We're going to be swimming with the sharky sharks. Little sharky sharks. NASDAQ pushing up here, pushing up, baby. Let's get right through that 90 level there next. What about that? What do you think about that? Think about that. Dad, you wet. DJ, Pat on the ones and the twos. Boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. I just feel like we got to take out yesterday's high. Yesterday's high. Just a big old bull flag setting up here for a big old breakout. End of day. Let's see. Just need to go. Start making some moves through the 90s here. Wasted. Wanna do. What did Tanya say about ICT taking his accounts? She's not gonna say anything. ICT followers make Tanya fucking thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars. You think she's gonna bite the hand that feeds? Come on. She's not dumb. She's making so much money off of all the bad traders that ICT is teaching. They all blow up their evals over and over and over. How much money is she making? So much. Do I think she makes more than me from affiliates? No. I know how much she makes. She doesn't make more than me. She makes about maybe 15, 20% of what I make. Do is jump onto you, baby. Going into the end of day power hour, we got the 350 algorithm coming up here next. Market pulling back again. Just couldn't have that power to get through the highs. You are ready for resign to space. ICT has never sold anything. That's a lie. He had a private mentorship that he charged money for. So it's on his website, actually. ICT has never sold anything. That is 100% a lie. He had a private mentorship that he was selling every day. I mean, I don't deny that I sell a course. I'm totally fine selling a course. I don't think there's anything wrong with selling a course. But when people say that ICT doesn't sell anything, well, he did. He made millions selling a course while never actually having any fucking idea how to trade. NASDAQ dipping. Uh-oh. Well, uh-oh. My freaking monitor, man. What is this monitor doing? It can't work like this. All right. That 350 algorithm, we got 10 minutes If this market can just hold up in this level, get this end of day squeeze going, you know those shorts are going to be squeezed real hard if we get going to the upside. But right now, just kind of pulling back here. So we need that momentum to come in here. Quantum trading, are you blocked? Yes, you're blocked. We can't see you. Rhino, day's been good, man. We're green. Fresh Cash Friday, baby. You know how we do. You know how we do. Quantum trading, please read my comments. I won't read your comments. Bearish bull flag. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of holding on right now. But in you. Nvidia has just been flat all fucking day. Wow. Nvidia just stuck at 134.87. That thing really hasn't moved all day. That's pretty funny. How's the waves? Yeah, it's good. Glassy out. We're gonna go out in the boat later and do some shark diving actually today. Whoopee. Got 7 minutes here till the 350 algorithm kicks in, so let's see what happens. Got about 2 more weeks left here in Hawaii. Maybe actually less than a week. Got a week about now. Yeah, we leave next Friday, actually. Next Friday, we're heading home. So this will be, I don't know if I'm going to live stream next Friday or not. I probably will. My flight's not till 3. I got to clean up. Yeah, maybe. It'll be tight. It'll be tight. Should be a little bit of action here at 9 at the 355, at 345 here. Start to get some moves. And like this kind of real tight right here. See if the ES starts making the move before the NASDAQ or vice versa. Nasty trades. Little bullish momentum here. Like I said there at the 345, get a little bit of an injection of liquidity there. Holding up at the 70s for now. Testing the 70s once again. The ES pulling back here, NASDAQ pulling back. Both kind of just sitting there. We got the 350 algorithm coming up here in less than 3 minutes. Nutty said that you sent him $5,000. No, I never sent him $5,000. What are you talking about? God. I'll play the video after this. Let's see what happens here at 350. Come on, let's see what happens. Let me get some volatility here. You give me a feeling. $30 seconds, 350 algorithm. Get ready, boys and girls. Kind of watching to see what happens here. We start to get this momentum to the upside. We'll look for a long opportunity, but right now, obviously getting stuck there below the 80s. So kind of need to get through that 80 level strong for the bulls to step in here. End of day, get that 520 area up there. If we can't get through here, obviously, probably pull back into yesterday's close there down to the 430s again. Got the VWAP down there at the 417s. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push up there through the 80s. They got to keep this momentum going, though. The battle's real. ES is trying to push up. NASDAQ's like right here, man. Ran right into our little yellow trend line again. Oh. Uneventful here. Uneventful. In my age. Hopefully the shark diving is better than power hour, you know, hopefully. We'll pray for that. Pray for a better shark diving experience than the power hour experience. See what happens here at 3:55 next. Trading with Travis. Shark diving, bro. Swimming with the sharks. $20 seconds till the next little injection here. What types of sharks do you know? Tiger sharks, Galapagos, some hammerheads sometimes. It just depends. NASDAQ dipping. Down there to the 60s once again. And just could not get that move to the upside. I mean, I don't really think Someone who said the long didn't play out. Well, I mean, it played out from the 57s up there to the 90s, so apologies. The breakout through the 80s clearly did not work. But again, you know, we're at all-time highs. Are you really entering here at the 80s? I don't know. I mean, it's not really selling off either. It's chopping around here. The ES right now is at all-time highs. The ES. Donald Alexander, what symbol? It's the NASDAQ, bro. It says it on the fucking chart right there. God. It literally says NASDAQ 100 futures. What symbol? What symbol? What symbol is it? What symbol are you trading? Hey, what symbol is that? What symbol are you trading? Hey, what is that symbol? NQ1. What symbol is that? Hey. Hey, Patrick, what symbol do you trade? I can't. I just can't. Can't deal with these people anymore. Well, looks like the NASDAQ just wants to sit here on this good old Friday and not make anything go crazy end of day. We are hoping for that continuation out of this move to the upside up there to the 20,500s. We did not get it. We did get, on the other hand, we did get this move off the 430 area up into the 500s. So we're happy with that. We'll take it. We will take it. We'll like it. We love it. We want some more of it, if you know what I mean, you know? You know how we do it. You know? And for anyone that thinks I'm just talking in hindsight here, you can see my original entry earlier there at the 20,431. So now the NASDAQ moving back. And 2050s here pulling back, 445s. Little dippy end of day. It's just hard to get short there end of day on that move, but I'll take it. We're in the green. We got lots of payouts to come, about over $100,000 in payouts this month, pretty much guaranteed at this point. So just got to keep on trading, keep getting through it, focus on the bigger picture, making money consistently, doing it every day, baby. This is how you do it. Consistency. You can see here in my fast track accounts, we've got right now, we've been trading these accounts for 8 days. We got 20 accounts, 20 again, and currently sitting at 100% win-loss ratio, 1,000. Oh, look at that. Just bang, bang, bang. But they tell, people will be like, but Patrick Wieland doesn't know how to trade. Well, I must be the luckiest gambler on the planet. Think about that. There ain't no gambler out there that's luckier than me. There really isn't. Like, it would be actually impossible to be better than this at gambling. I got to get better at it, clearly. So, there it is. My 199 course, everything that I've learned, yes. I will see you guys Monday. I'm going shark diving. I'll film a video, put it out maybe tomorrow. If you're nice. If you're not, maybe not. So, there it is. We're locking it in, making the money. Making the money. This is another XFA. Yeah, people always be like, Patrick, you make no money. I don't know what they're talking about. I'm confused. Why is everybody tells the story is, oh, Patrick rents his Lambos, he rents his girlfriend, he doesn't make any money, and he has no idea how to day trade. All four of those comments are debunked over and over and over here every day live on YouTube. So Putting it out there. Oh, play the song. Let's play the song for our little buddy boy here. I won't be able to play it through this, though. That's the only problem. Where is it at again? Can't even find the song now. Where'd it go? NASDAQ still dipping. Gonna end up down there at the close from yesterday, that 430 area. They like that 430 area. All right, I got the song. I'm gonna put it to my laptop here. Put it on the laptop here. Let's see, is it funny?
Guys, I think I figured it out. ICT is confused. I don't want to say retard, but he's a retard. The point of day trading is to make money. I know he's pretty dumb, but I think he's confused, insane. Now we're friends.
Listen, anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there and I pushed. I sat there, pushed. And I fucking really pushed. I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard.
Pushed.
I got this. Don't worry, guys. Can you take me higher? I got this.
It's actually pretty good.
I know exactly how to make the market go. Winner, chicken dinner. It's hard to day trade. It's easy to sell a course. Winner, chicken dinner. If you're not making money when you're sleeping, you're not making money. Winner, chicken dinner. Literally, my girlfriend makes more money than ICT does trading. Think about that. That's fucking funny. Big drop down. Let's stop. Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy. Big drop down. Let's stop. Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy.
Push. I sat there, push.
Going down hard.
Push.
Oh my gosh. Little yes.
Push. I sat there, push.
Going down hard.
Push.
Oh my gosh. Little the vertigo, man. The vertigo, man. The vertigo, man.
I'm gonna play this on the boat all day. The Vertigo Man.
Imagine if I told you that literally all you had to do to make millions of dollars is just post up online to get people to hate you and then you make money. Don't be telling people the secret.
That's pretty good, Nasty Trades. DM me your PayPal address. I'll send you $500 for that. That's pretty fucking hilarious. $500 for that song. So send it to me. Send me or I'll DM you right now, actually. I'll send you $500. That's some funny shit right there. Oh, man. All right. There it is. Another week. Another dollar. We did it, guys. We made some money. We had some fun. And that's all it's all about, really. That's really what it's all about. Just surviving. Look at the market. Dipping on down. 4:30, end of day. Oh, man. All right. I got to go. I'm going to go shark dive in. Thank you guys for watching. It's been a lot of fun. Oh, NASDAQ just continuing to bleed out here after hours. That 460 area. Down, down, down. That bear, clearly the bull flag broke to the downside. It happens. End of day. That was pretty much right there the last 5 minutes. I mean, are you real? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you trade it, maybe you don't. But there it is. We're green. We're locking in payouts. We're focusing on the money, money, money. That's why we're here, people. I don't care what anyone on the internet says. We're not here for fucking friendship. We're not here for people to think that I'm the best trader on the world. We're here to make money. That's what my goal is. I'm here to make as much money as I can. Because at some point, maybe this doesn't exist anymore. Maybe at some point there is no more prop firms. Maybe trading doesn't exist. I don't fucking know. At some point, this world might dry up and I might have to go do something else. So for now, let's make as much money as we can. Let's cash in and let's trade fucking prop firms and let's get it. Let's get it. It might be gambling. It might be a scam. But either way, let's get it. So I will see you guys next Monday. Big thank you. Good week. It's been up, it's been down, but at the end of the day, we're green, and that's all that matters. So, again, thank you, thank you, thank you, and I'll see you guys later on. Peace to the Middle East. Jack of all trades, life is only about money. Will you shut the fuck up? Anyone that tells you life is not about money it's all about money. The more money you got, the fucking more you can do. That's what it's all about. Life, money, make it, spend it, have fun. Without it, what the fuck are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Sit around and fucking twiddle your thumbs? You need money. Money makes the world go round. Remember that. Peace.